Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. Today we're going to talk about tile vents, and it's one thing that seems to be, originally we used to use those old plastic 4x10 or 3x10 tile vents, or the metal ones, but now, people don't really like the look of them. So what do you do to actually make it look good but still want heat in your house, obviously? So actually Emily was searching. Actually, there's a big, it's like a conference, a national, or I think it's called the National Kitchen and Bath Association, and she found these Aria tile vents, and these are the coolest thing, and we love them, and we're starting to really sell a lot of these. So instead of the old traditional tile vent, these basically they come in they come in a variety of colors, but there's two different options. So one is you can actually just set it in the floor. If you're doing a renovation, you can screw this in. Basically that sits on top, and then this part actually gets snapped in like so, and then you can put hardwood in it, you can put luxury vinyl tile, you can put ceramic tile. You may need to build it up. They allow you 1 inch to build it up, and when you're finished, the actual vent looks like that. So what happens is, this is one right here, this is a retro, so if you just wanted a 4x10 for your existing home to match your tile, but you didn't want to get into ripping out the entire floor, what you would do is order one of the retros. That clips in like that. That is now your tile vent sitting in the floor. So the vinyl flooring in this application, this is a tile, but you could do vinyl flooring, tile, or hardwood, so it would match exactly what's in the rest of the space. So quite a nice idea. Very, I think, a really good price point considering the actual mechanics and how these go in. And the second one that we still sell a lot of is the tile vent. The difference with this one is we actually have to take one of the tiles, send it to the company, they basically CNC it and send it back. The advantage of this one is it looks a lot like a tile vent, but the disadvantage is a lot of times you have to grout around the actual tile vent. So when you set it in place, or you get a small gap where the tile goes, so because you still want to be able to pull it out to get your dust and your debris out of there. So I just think these are the coolest thing. And as soon as I seen them, I said, these things are going to sell. It's going to be amazing. So something to consider. So you can put them in if you're not doing your floor and you just want to match your hardwood or your tile to it. You can just literally set this in, or you could purchase the retro if you're doing a floor and literally you don't see anything other than the tile or hardwood. So hopefully that'll help you with your next renovation.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Andon Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.